Okay, so now the next thing that's going to happen is I'm going to click on this button, still labeled combo test, but basically once it finds out whether the geometry in the file was splines or whether it was polylines, because they're treated in two different ways. Even though they have their same data, basically, they have a starting point and then a whole bunch of points linked to the previous point. Same thing with polyline, it just connects all the lines together. That way I set a constant velocity on the laser and it just goes from point to point to point. Splines have how many points there are in the line associated with them. Polylines do not, so therefore the way the file is structured is slightly different between those two. Instead of having to count polylines, the number of lines in a polyline, etc., they're just done different. The next thing I'm going to do is hit that combo test. I could either see the green button says that it found in the DXF file, it found polylines. So I could mash that button and I would be doing polylines. It would send that data to the laser as polyline information. So that's what's going to happen next. Stop.